Welcome to Best RV. This is Niall Amari from Best RV in Turlock, California. Today we're presenting you again brand new stuff, 2026 Cherokee Wolfpack 2514. And everybody asks me, what does mean 2514? 2514 is mean 25 feet toy haulers with a ramp. And as you see, I'm sitting on the patio system with a 14-foot garage. So if you have 4-seaters, 2-seaters, quad, dirt bike, that will fit, no problem, because the maximum size on a 4-seater like 13.5, 13.6. So when they build this trailer, they know which toys you have, so that your toy will fit here. Matter of fact, this one, it has multi-function toy hauler because you could do all kind of stuff with this. As you see, this unit has the patio system. I'm sitting on the patio system. It has the door here to make sure eliminate the bugs and the screen door. So eliminate the bugs not to go inside in the dirt. Very easy to get in. And as you notice, it's very open. And I'm having 14 feet from here all the way to the back. So when I get my toys will fit with no problem. I had even one customer, actually as a government agency, bought 6 of these units and they use a command center. Why? Because they give you a beautiful table here. You could put your laptop and do some work. So they use it as a command center. One of the California government agency bought 6 of these one from us, and they love it. Also, it gives you the ability when you sit on this bench, and those 2 stools and the bench is facing the TV. I love what they did, the blue lighting for said Wolfpack and the speakers. You have speakers inside, speakers outside. You have a nice smart TV come with it. Also, if you want to see what's going on, very, very easy. You just open these shades, just to give you an idea. And again, voila, you have a full shades. I like the windows. They're mirrors. You can't see through them from outside. You have a nice cabinet. Plus, they give you the nice bed here. It's a queen size bed as well, king size bed. Now, the trend for 2026 Cherokee Wolfpack or the Cherokee Grey Wolf is king size bed on their travel trailers, and we've seen a demand of people, they like to have king size bed. So the 2514 come with the king size bed. Now look how so easy I'm gonna bring this bed, because very simple, easy. I bring the back, even they give me a handle. Look, watch. I bring the back, then I come over here. I'm a short, sorry guys. And then you bring the front, and voila, you have a nice queen size bed, sleep 2 people, no problem for weight capacity. It could handle up to 1,000 pounds. We tested. So 2 adults here is no problem. This is the screen wall. I call screen wall. So you just drop it, zipper and Velcro. You have window on both sides. And you have window also. I want to show you here. Give an idea how bright this travel toy hauler. And it's very roomy. I just want to give you an idea how bright. So you have 2 windows crossing each other, as well in the back you have 2 windows crossing each other. You have a table you could fold. So if you don't want to use the table, let me take this one and show you. I could move these chairs, and I just go right here. This handle, voila. And I have full opening to get my quad or dirt bike or the 4-seaters or the 2-seaters, no question asked to bring it in here. And those chairs, I could store them here if I want to. And I give you an idea to see how it's open. Look how open. And then they give you actually 3, 6, 9, 12 tie down. So you could have your toys, does not go anywhere. Now, everybody is saying, what's this piece of plastic over your microwave? Then I'm gonna tell them what that piece of plastic over the microwave, because people ask me the same question over and over. They give you a prep for camera inside. So I could put a camera here, Furrion camera here, and I could see my toys. Because you know, the people spend a lot of money in their toys, and they're expensive. 4-seaters, some of them are like $50,000, $60,000 4-seaters. So when you put it here, I could put a camera, and it's already prepped from the manufacturer, so you could watch your toy when you're driving. Kitchen-wise, they give you everything. As you notice, they give you the biggest fridge in the market, the 11 cubic foot reefer, run 12 volt, no issue, because you have 200 watt solar on the roof. storage. And they give you the air fryer microwave, convection microwave, and you can see it's electric. So I could use it as electric oven or microwave. Nice sink with a cup rinse, 2-burner range, and tinsel doors. Place for trash can. It's loaded. Here's your controller. Even they give you a voltage controller. Switch for the awning, open, close, and all these lights. Vents. They asked me what's this vents here, and I'm gonna show you what's this vents if you give me a minute. Push on it here. Okay, what's this vent? You have one here and one way back in the corner. You open both this unit to get the fresh air while you're driving, to get the bad smell of the gas. So the beauty about this unit, it gives you opportunity to keep the gas smell of your toys outside. Now, when you're done, all you have to do, close it. You have one here and one in the corner. And they do it a crossway for air circulation. You have a fantastic fan with the remote control over your kitchen for a reason. In case if you cook bacon, something you want the smell out, you have it. They give you a nice big air condition, ducted, as you see on the roof is a ducted AC. Now, a lot of people, they say, now you talk too much. But my goal, not talking too much, I like to feed you with more information so you know what you're buying. Again, this is the nice toy hauler 2514 with a king size bed. What I like they do is this king size bed is on a shock. I could raise it up, and I want to show you whole storage underneath the bed, and this is accessible from outside and inside. Now, why they give you this cushion here? Because I could use it as a bench. I could sit here. They realize, say, because I got customers say, oh, will you give me king size room? I don't have room to change my clothes in the bedroom. I don't have even room. No, raise the bed up. It's already in shock, and now I have enough room to sit, tie my shoes, dress up, do whatever I want in business, and when I'm done, I could bring it up. They're smart. Why? Because they're thinking how they could utilize this small space and make it more efficient and more work for you. And that's what they did. They add those 2 benches for you. Plus, nobody noticing in this bedroom has what's called the view window. What does mean view window? Now you're speaking new language right now. You tell me view window. No, a view window, that's mean if you notice the windows on the bedroom is bigger than the normal. And they do that to give it to you, as you notice, is very bright, very open. I mean, you open all these windows and you see, wow, there's a lot of light. Now, when I bring this bed, look, I still have enough room to walk around the bed with no problem. And by giving those 2 benches on the side, I want the cameraman show you there's 2 doors on this side and 2 doors on the other side. So I could use it for underwear, socks, hanging closet, place for second TV if I want. They give you one, but you could add the second one. Place for your helmet, for your racing gear, you could put in the top. Ducted AC, prep for second AC. And again, the reason why we don't put the second AC, again, price cautious. We are price cautious. Because we give you a price on this unit, shop, do the dial for yourself. No one will match. Because it's amazing. Fiberglass unit, 2514, 14-foot garage, power awning, TV, power, all these amenities, patio system, 2 lounge chairs or beds. By the way, these are beds, not just lounge chairs. Bench, 2-bar stools, microwave, air fryers, 2-burner range, 11 cubic, 12-volt refrigerators, 200-watt solar. For the price what we offering you, you're not gonna find. Look how roomy the bathroom. Very roomy bathroom. And then you have a really nice medicine cabinet, solid, not a paper, a sink, porcelain toilet, and always I test the knee, no problem. Easy to get in the shower, plenty room for height, width. They give you even fantastic fan in the bathroom. Big shower head. Finally, they start listening to us. Give me a good, decent shower head, and they give you that. And let me show you the outside features now. I love those windows. They're big and reflecting. It has a nice power awning with LED light. 3-step to get in. Look how big, easy entry assistant handles to get in. Outside speakers. They give you even the TV for your outside TV bracket and the hookup. Nice power stabilizer jack. So what is the new for 26? Because they made this floor plan in 25. On 2026, they're giving you king size bed, power stabilizer jack. You just push the switch and you extend the two in the back. Same thing you have on the front, power stabilizer jack in the front. Nice patio room. A backup camera. They already giving you the backup camera in the rear, work off your cell phone. And then you have another option to put an additional backup camera in your cargo area. You can see how beautiful the fiberglass. And this is, if you want to grab something from outside, it's easy to get in. And then you have the 50 amp power cord, endless hot water heater, and the sandy spray flush. Everything's right there for hookup, black and gray water. Prep for side cameras, 2 propane tank, and electric tank jack. So electric tank jack, 4 electric stabilizer jack, power awning, 200 watt solar, and a toy hauler with a 14-foot for the price you shop. No one will have except us at Best RV. Come in and grab it.